When it comes to reliable gutter guard repair in Reading, Pennsylvania, All Pro Gutter Guards is the name you can trust. Damaged or clogged gutter guards can lead to water overflow, foundation issues, and costly repairs. Our experienced technicians specialize in inspecting, repairing, and restoring gutter guards to optimal condition, ensuring your home stays protected from water damage year-round. We use top-quality materials and proven techniques to extend the life of your gutter system. Whether it's wear and tear, storm damage, or improper installation, All Pro Gutter Guards provides prompt, professional service tailored to your needs. Schedule your repair today. Contact us today, All Pro Gutter Guards, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a gutter guard repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. What types of gutter guard repairs do you offer in Reading, Pennsylvania? All Pro Gutter Guards repairs mesh, screen, reverse curve, and brush style gutter guards. How can I tell if my gutter guards need repair? Signs include overflowing gutters, visible gaps, sagging sections, and water damage around the foundation. What is your gutter guard repair services office in Reading, Pennsylvania? Our local gutter guard repair service office has served Reading, West Reading, Mount Penn, Pennside, Greenfields, Wyomissing Hills, Kenhorst, Shillington, Mohnton, Grill, Reiffton, Jacksonwald, Basket, Laureldale, Sinking Spring, Leinbachs, Ridgewood, Temple, Whitfield, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro Gutter Guards office located? We are located at 2395 Lancaster Pike, 1st floor, Reading, Pennsylvania 19607. Our phone number is 610-686-8610. Visit our website, https://upcutterguards.com/readingpa/